I, JVN, Dr. Gunja Soni, Faculty of Education and Methodology Department, Fashion and Interior from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Khush raho beti. Today I am going to teach you quality. What is quality and why quality is important? So basically, quality is how good something is. So basically mean of something is that we need good quality for each and every product that we use. In the quality of a product that's high, then that means that it is fit for the its purpose. Is if the quality of an item is low, that means that the product may break easily or not work properly. When people say something is a quality product, that means that the product is is of good quality. Usually, hi, usually higher quality product cost more money because the material used to the make the used to make them are better, or the way they were made was more effective. In other words, things are low quality are cheap. Quality is understood differently by different peoples depending on what they consider quality to be. Generally, so it is how well a product is suited to the purpose it was made for. So so basic so basically the quality is very much essential for a good quality product that each and every company is has a different department of quality control as well. So definition of a quality. This is how our readers define quality. Quality itself has been defined as fundamentally relational. Quality is the ongoing process of building and sustaining relationship by assessing and disrespecting and fulfilling stated and implied needs. A few definitions are related to the qualities are quality assurance. So quality assurance is a broad concept that focuses on the entire quality system, including suppliers and ultimate consumers of the product or services. It includes all activities designs to produce product and services of appropriate quality. According to uh, ASQ, quality assurance included all those planned or systematic actions necessary to provide educated confidence that a product or service will satisfy given needs. Next definition is a quality control. So quality control has a advert focus, then quality assurance. Quality control focuses on the process of the producing the product or services with the intent of eliminating problems that might result in defects. According to SQ, quality control includes the operational techniques and activities which sustain a quality of product or service that will satisfy given needs. Also the use of such techniques and activities. The next definition is a quality management. Quality management is the totality of functions involved in the determinations and achievement of quality. The meanings of quality. Quality is of the many meanings of the word quality. 2 hours of critical importance to managing for quality. Quality means those feature of products which meets customer needs and thereby provide customer satisfaction. In this sense, the meaning of quality is oriented to income. The purpose of such higher quality is to provide greater customer satisfaction, and one hopes to increasing income. However, providing more and or better quality features usually requires an investment and hence usually involve increases in cost. Higher quality in this sense usually cost more. Quality means freedom from deficiencies, freedom from errors that require doing work over again, which is called rework, or that results in field failures, customer dissatisfactions, customer claim, and so on. In this sense, the meaning of quality is oriented to cost, and higher quality usually cost less. खुश रहो बेटियों.